You've probably seen at the very bottom where it says effortless ecom, we're always going to get the powered by Shopify. It's just something Shopify does is whenever we install a new theme, they're always going to add this to the bottom, and they moved how we can edit this. So I'm just going to show you quickly how you can remove it once and for all, or even replace it with something else. To do this, we want to go back to the Shopify dashboard. I have mine up here. And then we go to our online stores, to our themes. In this case, I'm editing our Nike theme. You want to click the three dots here, and then we want to click the Edit Default Theme Content. What this does, this is basically a collection of all of our language settings. So every text that's being used by the theme, we can find in here. Just a side note, now we can actually search for powered. So you can just click the search bar, type powered, and then we see these three results. So I can see this powered by Shopify right here. And the first one is from Google, so we don't really have to change this one. But where it says links, we want to click in here and then just add the space bar. So we want to add an empty space. And if we've done it correctly, then where it now says powered by Shopify, this is going to disappear. And then we click save. And once it's saved, we can go back to our preview. I'm going to do it from here. In this case, the live theme, so I'm going to click it here. And now if we scroll to the bottom, it is gone. If you want to change it for something else, you can always go back, click the buttons, powered by, and then we can change this to say anything. We can say, hello, effortless ecom. Click save. And then whatever we type in there is going to show up at the bottom.